Hi everyone, today I'll be going over how to add a button to your website. Buttons are great for calls to action, as well as linking to other pages across your site, across the web, or to external documents for people to download. So here I am on my Gym Plus website, and if I scroll down, you'll notice I already have a Find Out More button here. And this button, when clicked on, it will link us to the Why Join Us page of our website. So I'll be showing you how to add a button just like this, but first we need to delete this button. So we can right click on it, and in the right click context menu, choose delete. And that will delete the button. Now we'll be going over how to add a button. So we can go over here to the add section of the sidebar, and then we can click on button. And in the button category, you'll see that we have a few different button presets, as well as a few different button themes. We'll be going with a button preset. So how about we choose this one that says Discover More. So I can click on that, and you'll see that it appears here on my mouse. So I'll click and place it here. And over here in the panel box, you'll see we have a few different options to customize the button. The first thing is Edit Text. So I can click on that, and I can edit the text that the button displays. So I'll do that now. Next, we have Change Design. So I can click on this and choose from, again, one of those preset buttons or theme buttons from before. Then we have the Link To section of the panel box. So I can click on that, and it will take us to this Link To menu here. And this is a drop-down menu. So from here, I can choose a web address, which is another place on the web, a page, a document, which is an external document, such as something like a PDF, email, or anchor if it's a one-pager site, or if you have different anchors on your page. So I'm going to choose Page. And then I can choose from one of the other pages of our website. So I'll click on this, and I'm going to choose Why Join Us. So now that button is linked, and when a user clicks on it, it will take us to the Why Join Us page. Then I'll go back. And now I can change some of the stylistic elements. So I'll choose this, and the first thing I'll do is change the font. So we have our normal state and hover state. Our normal state is what is displayed when the mouse isn't hovering over it, and the hover state is what is displayed when the mouse is hovering over it. So I'll click on normal state, and I'll change the color of the font. And how about we make this black? Then we have the background. So for the normal state, it's clear, and for the hover state, it's orange. How about for the hover state, we make it a lighter gray? And then we have the border. So for the normal and hover states, it's orange. How about we change it to black for both? And finally, we have shadow. We won't change this right now. I'll go back, and you can also see that we have size and position here. And this is just for customizing the size and position of the element along the page. And finally, we have Show on All Pages. If I wanted to click on this, this would keep the button locked in the same position across all of the pages of my site. So now I'll show you how this button works. Because we linked it, we can go to the Preview button and preview our site. And if we hover over it, you'll see that it turns gray. And then we can click on it, and it will take us to the Why Join Us section of our site. And that was how to add a button element to your website. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us or check out our other video tutorials. Thanks for watching.